video, we're gonna make Oreo cake. Well, our secret ingredient is Oreo! Now we're gonna put the Oreos in the blender. Now the Oreos has been blended. Now we can move on to our next ingredient, and it is sugar and baking powder and milk. Let's mix them with a spoon. Add milk if you need to. Now you've got a baking tray. Now I have to spread the oil around. Now I put all the mixture in the tray. Okay, here we go now. So now that's done, we put it in the oven for 20 minutes, medium heat. Hi guys, now it's time for the taste test. In 3, 2, 1, go. That was good. Sam approves. Well, I guess I have to end it here. Please like and subscribe. Peace.